welcome to another video. I know we're all still at home on quarantine, so today I wanted to share with you guys one of my self-care routines. A mini facial I usually do like sometimes twice a week. It depends how my skin is acting or what I have planned for that week. Like if I have something to do the next day, I might do this, you know, the night before, just to wake up extra bright and glowy. So you can do this. It's a light facial that you can do all the time. I call it a mini facial because you're not gonna need any tools. You can use your tools instead if you guys have them. I just felt like since we're all in the house that I just wanted people to be able to use what they had and be able to follow along with the steps. I will do another video with a full facial and share with you guys the tools that I use and where you can get them and products that I recommend. Today, I'm not gonna be recommending any products. I want you to use whatever products you have at home. Don't feel like you have to have the same products that I'm using. Plus, most the stores that I got these from is probably closed now. So just use what you have. It's all good. Like as long as you're going through the steps, you're gonna get the same benefits. And if you have a specific skin problem, feel free to comment or reach out to me directly if you don't wanna put it in the comments. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let's get into the facial. First, I'm going to start by removing my makeup with a makeup wipe. Now, I'm analyzing my skin to see what I need to focus on during this facial. Just getting my skin damp and removing anything the makeup wipe didn't remove. And now we're ready to cleanse. Take your time when cleansing to make sure you get deep into your pores. I'm using a glycolic scrub to exfoliate. It removes the top layer of dead skin cells from your skin, making you appear brighter. It's also good to remove any scarring from your face or any fine lines. I'm using a warm towel instead of a steamer because I have sensitive skin. The warmth helps soften the follicles and prepare for extractions. Make sure you are always protecting your skin from your nails, especially during extractions. You don't want to leave a scar. And don't mind my 6-week-old quarantine nails. I know it might seem scary to apply alcohol to your face, but it helps to sanitize after extractions and also helps your mask to penetrate deeper. Just do a quick swipe over your skin, no rubbing. Using a clean brush to apply your mask helps you to use less product. It makes it easier to distribute a thin, even layer onto your skin. You can also use a paper mask for this step. Leave your mask on for 10 to 20 minutes. Any longer will dry out your skin. I like to drink my skin detox tea while I wait. You can find it at Whole Foods. Applying your products in an upward and outward motion helps to prevent wrinkles. Using your ring finger to apply your eye creams helps you to be more gentle around this sensitive area. Again, we are avoiding wrinkles. Moisturizing, I use this effleurage motion that I learned in school. It helps promote circulation and lymph flow. It also helps you to relax. Remember, this area is a part of your face too. Don't forget to moisturize. Doing a video that scared me. Okay, let's get into the facial. Okay, let's get into the facial. Okay, yeah, let's get into the fucking facial because oh my gosh, okay. Did I get what I wanted to say out?